Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come with another video. I hope you are safe during these days. It's always better to learn something than to sit at a place doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving a precious response on the previous video. In previous video, you have seen how to get premium subscription of Period site for free for 1 year. It consists of 350 plus course for computer science students. I recommended you to watch that video. The link will be given in the description. Today I am back with new platform. Today I will show you 5 plus Let's Upgrade course and the process to enroll it. Some of you guys have query like why to do a Let's Upgrade course. In Let's Upgrade there are live session on the YouTube. It gives all the knowledge of related to the course. If you submit your assignment and attendance properly, then you will get chance to give the exam, and if you pass the exam then you will get the certificate. So let's get started, and please watch the full video to avoid the confusion. Before getting started, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming video and also join Telegram group for daily update. Also I provide daily minimum 20 plus courses on my group. The first course is Essential Programming Python. The course is for 15 hour daily 1.5-hour live session. This is a project based learning. Here you can see the cost of the course is 29,999, but this is free due to COVID-19. The course form is live instructor lead. The course duration is 15 hours. You will learn 4 projects. The batch is starting from 22nd February 2021. You will get the 5 assignments. More than 2.5 lakh people have done this course. This course will help you to implement knowledge in following practice: automation, first choice language, versatility, efficiency, reliability and speed, 100 of Python library and framework, easy to learn and use. In this course, you will learn tools like Jupyter, Python, Anaconda. You will get certificate of Essential Programming Python certificate from Let's Upgrade, ITM Group of Institute and NSDC. Here you can see the course curriculum: Introduction to Python, Python Editor, Python Basic Syntax, Python Data Types, Loop and Control Statement, String, Tuple, List, Dictionary, OS Module, Modules, Program to change the extension file, making own window command, Django. Here you can see the project list. The first project is encoding and hashing. The second project is symmetric key encryption. The third project is QR code generator. The fourth project is Python with IoT device. The fifth project is demo of blog app. For enrolling this course, you have to give your name, email ID and contact number and click on start learning, and you will successfully enroll for this course. The second course is Essential Program in Data Science. This course is India only live data science program for free. It consists of 15-hour course, daily 1.5-hour live session. Here you will build real-time project and practical code implementation, quick doubt solving over the community. The course cost is 29,999, but it is free due to COVID. The course has been starting from 19 February 2021. In this course there will be 5 plus project. This course consists of 4 plus assignment. More than 2.5 lakh people have done this course. In this course you will learn tools like SQL, Python and Tabule. In this course you will get Essential Programming Data Science certification from Let's Upgrade, ITM Group of Institute and NSDC. Here you can see the course curriculum: introduction and setup, data types, conditional statement, loop, function, input output in Python, deep dives in data types, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Similarly, for enrolling this course, you have to give your name, email ID, and your phone number and click on Start Learning. The third course is Essential Programming, Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. It will be 15-hour course, daily 1.5-hour live session. The course will be project based learning. The course is starting from 1st March 2021. Here you will get essential programming, artificial intelligence and machine learning certification from Let's Upgrade, ITM Group of Institute and NSDC. Here you can see the course curriculum. AI ML DL Introduction, Machine Learning Overview, Statistics in Machine Learning, Probability in Machine Learning, Supervised Machine Learning Technique, Unsupervised Machine Learning Technique, Reinforcement Learning, Deep Learning, Natural Language Processing Overview, Python package for AI ML. Similarly, for enrolling your course, you have to give your name, email ID, and contact number and click on Start Learning, and you will successfully enroll for this course. Fourth course is Essential Programming, Cloud Computing, and DevOps. In this course, you have 15 hours of learning. In this, you will have competitive coding session. The batch is starting from 22 February 2021. Here you will have 5 plus assignment. More than 1.5 lakh people have done this course. In this course, you will learn the following things. Expertise in cloud computing is inevitable for IT professionals. AWS is the fastest growing public cloud service. AWS is mostly widely used platform in cloud adoption. AWS skills are well compensated. In this course, you will learn tools like Python, PyCharm, etc. In this course, you will get essential programming, cloud computing, and DevOps certification from Let's Upgrade, ITM Group of Institute, and NSDC. In here, you can see the course curriculum. In this course, you will learn introduction to cloud computing, deployment models, service model, creating a free tier account, AWS console tool, AWS global infrastructure, domain in AWS compute service, elastic block storage, simple storage service, elastic load balancing, auto scaling, identify and access management, virtual private cloud, elastic beanstalk, lambda, database, DNS and content delivery network, containerization, monitoring, auditing and alert, and AWS pricing. Here you can see the project list. The project 1 is creating and launching a EC2 window instance. The project 2 is creating bucket and managing object in a bucket. The project 3 is creating user and group with policies. The project 4 is deploying a sample application in Elastic Beanstalk. The fifth project is ECS with Fargate demo. The sixth project is creating a table in DynamoDB. Similarly, for enrolling your course, you have to give your name, email ID, and contact number and click on Start Learning, and you will successfully enroll for this course. The fifth course is Essential Programming Web Development. This course is for 15 hours. This course is based on project. The course is for 29,999. It is free because of COVID-19. In this course, you will learn two projects. The best is starting from 1st March 2021. Here you will get 3 plus assignment. More than 2.5 lakh people have done this course. This course will help you to apply knowledge in following practice speed. JavaScript is related to simple to learn and implement. Used everywhere on the web. Interoperability gives the ability to reach interface. In this course, you will learn the tools like JS, Node.js, and many more. Here you will get essential programming web development certification from Let's Upgrade, ITM Group of Institute, and NSDC. Here you can see the course curriculum, introduction and programming fundamentals, working with object and array, DOM manipulation, OPS.
Similarly, for enrolling your course, you have to give your name, email ID, and contact number and click on Start Learning, and you will successfully enroll for this course. The sixth course is Data Structure and Algorithm with Python. This is India only live course for free, 15 hours of course, daily 1.5 hour live session, competitive coding session, quick doubt solving over community, get certified on course completion. The course cost is 29,999, but it is free due to COVID. Here you will get 5 plus live coding session. The batch is starting from 22 February 2021. There will be 4 plus assignments. More than 1.5 lakh people have done this course. This course will help you to apply knowledge in following practice, gain problem solving skill, the core of computer science, efficient memory use, reusability, abstraction. In this course, you will learn tools like Python and Jupyter. Here you will get essential programming, data structure and algorithm with Python from Let's Upgrade ITM Group of Institute and NSDC. Here you can see the course curriculum. Introduction, Intro to Python, Python list, time and space complexity, loop implementation, array, Python class and object, Python function and method, linked list, searching, sorting, stack, queue, tree and graph, competitive coding. Similarly, for enrolling your course, you have to give your name, email ID, and contact number and click on Start Learning, and you will successfully enroll for this course.
All the course link will be given in the description. If you have any doubt and query, then comment below. And don't forget to like this video. And if you are new on my channel, then subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Share this video to others also because they can also get the benefit of the course. Thank you.